Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how to take a photo in Once Human game. Taking photo in Once Human lets you capture your character's evolution, achievements, or scenic environment in the game. Whether you want to share your progress or just save memories, this guide will show you how to take a photo quickly and easily. Launch Open Once Human game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the three-dot menu at the top right corner. From the expanded menu, click on Camera. You'll then be able to bring up the camera on your screen. Go ahead and select the angle that you want to take a picture on. After you find the angle, you can zoom in and zoom out on the image by dragging the little slider at the bottom. And once you find the perfect angle, you can then go ahead and tap on the camera icon on the left. Soon after you do that, you have successfully taken a picture. After taking the photo, you can save it to your device or share it directly to social media. You can also adjust your picture before clicking it by using the options on the right. Simply go ahead and tap on this little button at the top of the screen, and you can also go ahead and change poses such as selfie, vibrant record, etc. Simply go ahead and select a pose that you'd like to use, and then once you are done, you can get back and select your angle and tap on the camera shutter icon on the left. Soon after you do that, you will be able to take photos in poses as well. Now you can go ahead and save this photo to your album, share it directly on social media, or simply download it on your device's camera roll. You can also choose whether you'd like the watermark or not for your photo. If you want, you can also delete your profile from your photo and simply save it on your device for a clearer picture. So that is how you can easily take a photo in Once Human. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.